Hello everyone. I would like to explain about the culture Batak. I think all of you have heard about the Batak. Batak is one of the tribes in Indonesia. Batak is divided into six ethnicities, one of which is Toba Batak. The Toba Batak is one of the ethnic groups in Indonesia. Batak Toba is known for its unique culture because it has unique traditional clothes, diverse musical instruments, and also traditional hosts as its specialty of Batak Toba. Batak Toba is also known for its loud voice, but Batak Toba has also a lot of genealogy. The Toba Batak language that is most commonly heard and used to greet the Batak people when they meet is Horas. I think all of you had ever heard about Horas. The Horas is the language used the people Batak to greet about the relationship or the people Batak the others. And Batak has a more polite level of language, such as when we say head. In Batak language, head is ulu, but there are a level polite when we say head is Simanjunjung. Toba Batak language is used for daily life, but Toba Batak language is also used in traditional ceremonies. In daily communication, the Toba Batak language has a more polite level of language that is in accordance with age, such as when we want to say stomach to people who are older than us, we will say si ubeon. But while when we say stomach to those below our age, we can say butuha. Batak Toba have also songs that are pleasant to listen to, where its song lyric has its own meaning for the Batak people. Batak is also known for its close brotherhood and kinship. I think that is the short explanation about the Batak. Thank you.
Traditional food in Batak Toba. Batak cuisine is a type of cuisine influenced by the art and cooking traditions of the Batak people who inhabit the region of North Sumatra, Indonesia. Batak cuisine is a type of Indonesia cuisine. One of the characteristics of Batak cuisine is its penchant for using andaliman as the main spice. Because of this, andaliman is sometimes nicknamed Batak pepper. Unlike other Sumatran cuisines that have been influenced by foreigners, Batak specialties showcase the original cooking traditions of Austronesian tribes. Toba Batak food is one of the most distinctive culinary specialties. Foods that are popular in Batak and often served are ikan mas arsik, saksang, lapet, tanggo-tanggo, mie goma, manuk napinadar, and others. Batak language that describes flavors such as tabo, which mean delicious. Specific Batak language terms used when cooking and serving traditional food include iparade and nga dipatupa sipangana, which means it has been served. In conclusion, the traditional cuisine of the Batak Toba people is not only rich in unique flavors and ingredients, but also deeply rooted in their culture and historical heritage. Exploring these dishes offers a taste of the vibrant and diverse culinary traditions of this Indonesia ethnic group.
Okay, I will share the meaning of traditional Batak musical instrument and song. The first is traditional music instrument. Batak has traditional musical instruments that are famous and often used in Batak traditional ceremony and activities. Namely, uning-uningan. Uning-uningan is musical ensemble consisting of various traditional instruments such as hasapi, sulim, taganing, and gondang. Each musical instrument has a deep meaning which is reflection in the sound it produces. For example, the melodic and calm sound of hasapi reflect calm and peace, while the rhythmic and dynamic sound from gondang symbols inspirasi and togetherness. Next is regarding traditional Batak song. Batak Toba are famous for their meaningful songs such as Butet and Rambadia Rambamuna. Butet is a song that describes a mother love for their child who has wandered away. Talk song lyric and melody. This song conveys a mother longing and prayer so that her child will always be protected. Meanwhile, Rambadia Rambamura is one that is often sung at traditional events describing the togetherness and spirit of mutual cooperation in Batak social. To create meaningful Batak song like this, Batak musicians explore their life experience and the culture value they hold there. They combine traditional elements with their creativity, creating work that are not only beautiful to her but always full of meaning. Folk music revived Batak culture as well as contribute important music to the next generation. Batak traditional musical instrument and song not only function as the entertainment but also as a means of maintaining cultural identity and conveying the noble value of the Batak people. Thank you.
Now we move to the habits and tradition of Batak Toba. First, the Batak Toba people have several unique daily habits, one of which is their system of mutual cooperation in planting and harvesting rice. In Batak communities, this process is done in turn and does not require payment. So for example, this week, the entire community will gather to help the person A harvest their rice, and the following week, they will take turns helping person B. This practice not only reflects strong solidarity and cooperation among them, but also shows how they support each other selflessly. So during these activities, the Batak language is actively used in daily communication. This language usage is not only a means of communication but also strengthens cultural bonds and ethnic identity among community members. Thus, this habit serves not only as an effective way to manage agricultural work, but also as a means to maintain and reinforce Batak culture and traditional values. And the second one, communication habit within Batak families can vary depending on the individual family, but there are some distinctive features often observed. One of the most notable, especially in the Toba region, is the way family members call each other with loud and strong voice, which often sounds like shouting. Even when they are just a meter apart, they still call out with a cheerful and energetic manners. This habit is different from the big cities where people tend to call each other in softer tones. Among the Batak people, this way of calling has become a part of their traditional and is not considered rude and impolite. This tradition showcases the unique communication dynamics with Batak families, where strong and energetic expression are characteristic of daily interaction.
So, the relationships between language and culture in Batak Toba. Language and culture are two interconnected elements that are inseparable in society. In the Batak Toba community, this relationship is very strong and forms the foundation of their social life, custom, and daily activities. For the first is Batak Toba language. The Batak Toba language is one of the Austronesian language family spoken by the Batak Toba ethnic groups in North Sumatra, Indonesia. This language has several distinctive features that reflect the culture and values of the Batak Toba community. And they have a language structure, like the Batak Toba language has unique phonology, morphology, and syntax system. For instance, the use of the particle na serves as a subject or object marker. The other is customary vocabulary. Many words in the Batak Toba language are directly related to customs, such as ulos or traditional woven clothes, and horja. It's a customary celebration. So the second is Batak Toba culture. The Batak Toba culture is rich with unique traditions, customs, and social systems. Some important elements in Batak culture include: the first is customary practices. It's traditional ceremonies such as weddings, they call martumpol, and funerals or pesta hajat tandi, and other rituals often accompanied by the Batak Toba language. The second is kinship. The clan system and kinship relations are strictly regulated, such as the concept of dalihana tolu, which consists of three elements. The first, samba marhula-hula. It's like respecting the wife family. Elek marboru, it's pampering the female side, and manat mardongan tubuh, it's being caution with patrilineal relative. I think that's all. Thank you.
Relationship between language and culture. The Batak Toba language is not only a means of communications, also a means of conveying culture and values and customs. Here are some ways in which language and culture are intertwined. Expressing identity. The use of Batak Toba language in daily communications and traditional ceremonies demonstrates identity and pride as a Batak Toba person. Cultural legacy. Through language, Batak Toba values and traditional are passed down from generation to generation. Language is the main medium in informal education about custom. Symbolism and meaning. Many words and phrases in the Batak Toba language and contain deep symbolic meanings, reflecting the philosophy of life of the Batak Toba people, such as in traditional expression. Challenges and preservation. Like many other regional languages, the Batak Toba language faced challenges in the era of globalization and modernization. Language erosion. Younger generation tend to use Indonesian or foreign language, reducing the use of Batak Toba. Preservation efforts. There are various initiatives to preserve the Batak Toba language, such as local language education in schools, publication of literature in Batak Toba, and use of the language in local media. Batak Toba language and culture support and strengthen each other. Through language, Batak Toba culture can continue to live and develop. Therefore, preserve the Batak Toba language is not only important to maintain a means of communication, but also to maintain the identity and culture wealth of the Batak Toba tribe.